I'm Susan. I thought I would do a Thrifty Thursday video. I got lots of great books and such for paper crafting, and I'm excited to share them with you. We got to go last week to Tupelo, which has a great Goodwill bookstore, and they have a big Goodwill as well. And it's fun to go there. I know on Black Friday I got lots of stuff from the big Goodwill store. They didn't have as much today. I only got one item from there today, but I thought it was pretty cool and a reasonable price. So today I'm going to show you what I got. This came from an antique place. It was next to a place where my sons wanted to go, and so I just decided it's like an antique mall. And I got this old McCall's magazine from the 80s, and it was only $1. So I was happy with that. They had some other McCalls. They wanted $10 for them, and I think because it had Elvis, and Tupelo is the birthplace of Elvis Presley. So from the bookstore, I found this Webster's 21st Century Book of Quotations, which I thought would be fun to keep. I'll probably just save this one so I can write down quotes. We always need quotes for like Marguerite Miller and different things like that. So I thought that was a good little book to find. And it was $3.99. I found this for $3.99, and it's big, and it's a marine aquarium, and it has some beautiful pictures of fish and sea life that we are always using for collage and such like that. I think that's cool. So I love when I can find, and they're so vibrant. So I thought that was a kind of a cool find. I don't come across stuff like that very often. I've got this Regional American Gardening, and it has some pretty pictures, and it even had papery stuff stuck in there. I don't know whether it'll be any good or not, but it looks like an older book, but this would be perfect for like background for collage and stuff like that. And you have when you need stuff, like we had one just recently for Marguerite Miller where I think it was a blooming tree or something like that. So this was in there. It might be fun to use. That's pretty. That'd be a pretty background for collage. But anyway, I was real, oh, isn't that pretty? So I thought that was a fun find. And I thought it was also $3.99. This one was $3.99. And I really love this, because it's hard to find Egyptian stuff sometimes in the online to print out and stuff. I've done a couple of Egyptian collages, and now I've got, and the pictures are beautiful, and it's just, I thought this was isn't that pretty? I thought this was amazing. So this will be fun to use, and it's such a big book. It has so much in there. I am really happy with this find, and it's heavy. Also found, I love to get children's books, and I got this Mother Goose one, which, isn't that beautiful? I love the images that they have in here, so I had to get it. It is just one after another. Isn't that pretty? I love this. I mean, this is one of the best Mother Goose I've seen. I have to do a Mother Goose journal. That would be fun. But that is so pretty. And, oh, love that. And I found this one called Cat Up a Tree. And the pictures are so vibrant. And I couldn't pass it by. I didn't really, that'd be pretty. Journal card. You see how pretty the pictures are? I love the images. Love the kitty cat. I think it's fun. I didn't go through as many of the children's books as I usually do because I'd already found those other books. So I just kind of did a quick run through on those. And I just fell in love with the colors and the images of this. Oh, I love that moon. And my last book, I fell in love. This was the first one I found, and I fell in love. I've seen it before, but I had never bought it because it was before I was doing journals. But look at the little faces in the flowers. I'll have to go through this one slow. You've got the little baby butterfly. Look at the little gnomes. The fairies. Aren't they cute? And they've got, I mean, these would be adorable on journaling cards. How they got those babies to do that, I don't know. I took care of about this age of babies for about 11 years, and it's not easy to get them to do what you want them to. How cute is that? Oh, I just love this. I absolutely love it. In the shoes of all things. I don't know if I'd put my baby in there, but little caterpillars. Now that doesn't look very comfortable to me, but how cute. How adorable. You got the little babies up there. How they did this to these babies. They got good shots, but my goodness. I wonder if some of this was photoshopped. It would have to be. Look at that face. Aww. It's the first time I've looked all the way through it. I just glanced through it at the store. I love it. Oh, how cute. Face. I miss my babies. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at the cabbage leaf. All these sweet babies. How they got them to do that, I don't know. You got the sunflower. Oh, look at the pepper. Aww. The carrots. No, that's just wrong. Worms, really? I don't know, if I was a mom, I'd have to say maybe not. Oh. Oh my goodness. Strawberries. Aw, tulips, my favorite flower. Hidden in the hydrangeas. Aw. We've got the berries. Oh. And a butterfly. How cute. Oh, sweet baby. That has to be Photoshop. How cute. Oh. Jog. The little birds. That face. He's like, I don't know about this. He looks like he's up to something. I don't know if you've ever watched Murdoch, but Murdoch's Mysteries, but there's this little baby when they thought they were going to adopt one, and he was the cutest baby. He hammed it up for the camera. Cute. Aww. All the little gnomes. Acorns. Squirrels. Oh. Ladybug. Look at that face. Oh, the teddy bears. Oh. Oh, I love this. I'm so happy to find that. It was $4.99. I think it was worth it. And my very last item. This is what I got in the big store. And I love to find cute storage. And this was only $1.99. But I thought that was neat. I thought it'd be great for storing maybe some trims or something. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. I am so happy with the purchases I got. I know I didn't find as many craft things, but that's probably a good thing. It saved me money. But I really, really love this little suitcase. So, y'all have a great and wonderful day. And until next time, bye, y'all.